ever had laser hair removal that just didn't seem to work? Maybe you completed all your sessions but the hair came back, or it never reduced as much as you expected. You're definitely not alone. I'm Rachel from Radiant Living Medispa here in Parbold near Wigan. And in this video, I'll explain exactly why laser hair removal sometimes fails, and more importantly, how you can make sure it actually works next time. Firstly, not all laser hair removal is the same. Many clinics and salons use something called IPL, intense pulse light. It can reduce hair growth for a little while, but it's not a true laser. It doesn't go deep enough to destroy the follicle, which means the hair eventually grows back. At Radiant Living, we use medical-grade laser technology designed to precisely target the hair root for long-term, safe, effective results. The second reason it doesn't always work, the settings weren't right for you. Every skin and hair type needs different energy levels to treat the follicle effectively. If the settings are too low, the laser might heat the hair, but it won't destroy it. That's why experience matters. A trained specialist knows how to adjust settings safely, so your treatment is both comfortable and effective. So the next reason is not enough sessions. Laser hair removal isn't a quick fix. Your hair grows in cycles, and the laser only works on hairs that are in the active growth phase. That's why we always recommend at least 6 to 10 sessions, spaced around 4 to 6 weeks apart. If you stop too soon, some follicles simply haven't been treated yet, so the hair returns. Another big one, waxing or plucking before treatment. This is a really common mistake. If you wax, pluck, or epilate before your laser session, you remove the hair from the root. That means there's nothing for the laser to target. It's absolutely fine to shave before your appointment. That keeps the surface smooth but leaves the root intact. Now, let's talk about hair colour. Laser works by detecting pigments, the melanin in your hair. If your hair is very light blonde, red, grey or white, there may not be enough pigment for the laser to find. That doesn't mean you can't have treatment, but it usually means slower progress or more sessions to get a noticeable reduction. The best results happen when there's a clear contrast, darker hair on lighter skin. That's why a consultation first is so important. Sometimes, though, it's not about the laser, it's about your hormones. Conditions like PCOS, thyroid imbalances, or pregnancy can cause new hair to grow even after treatment. In these cases, a few maintenance sessions every few months can help keep your results stable until things settle. The next issue is sun exposure or fake tan. If your skin is tanned naturally or with fake tan, your practitioner has to lower the laser strength for safety. And that lower energy means less impact on the follicle. So it's always best to avoid sunbeds and fake tan before your laser treatments, especially on facial areas. And finally, timing really matters. When sessions are too far apart or you miss appointments, hair follicles move into new growth stages. That means the laser can miss them completely. Consistency is key. Following your plan at the right intervals gives you the best possible long-term results. The good news is, almost all of these problems can be fixed. At Radiant Living, we start with a consultation to review your skin and hair type, check what kind of system you used before, and then create a treatment plan that's right for you. You'll always know what's realistic, how many sessions you'll need, and what kind of results to expect. No overpromises, just transparency, expertise, and genuine results. So if you've had laser hair removal in the past and didn't get the results you hoped for, don't give up. Book a consultation here at Radiant Living Medispa near Wigan, and let's make this time the one that really works. Click the link in the description below to book your consultation or visit radiantliving.co.uk to learn more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest advice about skin, laser and non-surgical treatments.